Welcome back to Dimension Trader. My name is JT. Our channel is dedicated to help the trader like you to improve your trading result in 7 days. Please subscribe, like, share, and comment below to help us to learn the area you want us to share in the future videos so we can better understand the area to help. Okay, let's begin. Today we are going to check the Australian dollar pair again. We will try to eliminate multiple pairs so we can focus on how to help you to establish your own system. First of all, let's go over real quick about what is Dimension Trader. There is the top on the channel, and there is the bottom. Whatever happened between is the continuation. Whatever break create the resistance and the support. When we hit the top, price break, either going down or breaking up. This is a dimension 1, dimension 2, dimension 3, dimension 4, and dimension 5. To simplify this price cycle, we have the price reversal and the price continuation. So basically, that's what all the trade about. Either you are going to do the reversal trade or continuation. So back to Australian dollars, we are going to review really quick what we are going to expect for today's movement. Let's move from the big time frame since we are looking for long-term setup, swing trade, mid-term setup, swing trade, and the short-term setup for scalping. All right, here is the long term. We got a top, we got a break, pricing bounce, going down to the target 5, where we create the dimension 5 here, price bounce back again. So at a long-term time frame, we are still looking for long, but at a continuation, we don't have any entry opportunity happen yet if pricing is not coming back for the trend line or create any strong reversal candle. So long-term swing trade, we are going to keep our eyes on the pricing. And what we are expecting is pricing touch the line, break, pull back. This is going to be the entry point. Then we're expecting price moving up, hit the trend line, where is all the resistance area is. Where is pricing 5, target 5, since the bottom right here. Okay, so swing trade bias still going up for a longer time frame, but no entries. So moving down to the hourly, we still have the trend line holding. We are kind of hitting the top area where it's closer to the resistance for the 4 hours. As we see right here, this is a strong resistance. As long as this price is not breaking the trend line, we are not going to see any short movement entry. And the hourly time frame for the swing is not creating any opportunity yet. We are going to wait and see if this happens after a trend line break. Alright, so the remain is very similar. We are going to wait for this. Back to the 15. 15 today, we got a movement pricing breaking down to the previous support after this trend line break. So at the New York section, pricing coming down here and create 2 strong candle, something like this. Okay, in this area where we close into the trend line with a short-term swing trade. If you are observing in the New York section, this is a good long bias for the price continuation at dimension 2. If we see 30-minute, and okay, there we go, dimension 2. Okay, continuation. At today, New York close, we might have a little bit of the pricing bounce after trend line break. So this is the time when the New York section close, and we're heading to the action section. There is a good opportunity for scalping with a New York close section. This time frame is around 3:25 GMT time, so it's around 7 o'clock p.m. PST time. That time is 2 hours after Asian section open. We did not catch this one, but whoever trading the continuation, especially New York close, New York open, Asian close, Asian open, this is a good opportunity for you to scalp. So if we enter here, stop down here, target 1, target 2. You got a target to hit right before London open. At this point, we are expecting pricing to keep going up here. Pricing keep going up here to touch this trend line before we see any action. Break the trend line for a short. If pricing is not breaking this trend line, it might keep going up, and we will expecting pricing moving to this area where we create a bigger trend line, something like this. Okay, so weekly chart trend line will clearly show where you can expecting pricing going to be potentially stop at this area, where we have the potential of dimension or area hit. We'll see if the pricing moving this high or pricing is going to be stopped right here. All right, and this is pretty much about Australian dollars. Our purpose is to help you to identify your trading style, help you to find the risk you are willing to take for 100 pip for the long term, 50 pip for the mid-term, 20 pip for the short term, scalping for the 10 pip. So this is a risk you were expecting at a different time frame. And we have been talking about continuation, reversal, continuation D2, and the possible reversal D4. And we see the reversal on day for the D5. This is a big picture where the pricing is moving to. Whatever strategy you are using right now could apply any of the area that's happening during the price cycle. All right, that's pretty much about today's prediction on Australian dollars. We are trying to eliminate multiple chart analysis because we are trying to help the trader to identify their weakness and help them to improve for their trading result. If you take one thing or two today, please subscribe, like, share, and comment below so you won't miss our update video in the future. And we'll see you again next time. Bye bye.